Hey guys, what is up? It's Courtney here. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you guys who are first time visitors, I would love it if you guys would hit that subscribe button down below. I post videos every Friday and sometimes on Tuesdays, so welcome. For today, I'm going to be showing you guys how I accomplished one of my favorite lazy day hairstyles, and that is this slick back bun. So if you guys are interested, don't go anywhere, sit tight, we're going to get right into it. So I'm starting off with soaking wet, freshly co-washed hair, and it's really important for the style that you start off with soaking wet hair because you're going to be manipulating it quite a bit and you don't want to manipulate dry hair. I'm going to be using my Kinky-Curly Knot Today leave-in, and this is a great product because it actually doubles as a detangler and it has an incredible amount of slip. So I'm just going to rake that through my hair from roots to end to prepare it so I can brush it. And I also really love this leave-in because it doesn't cause any flaking when used with EcoStyle Gel. And if you've ever used EcoStyle Gel, you know just how hard it is to find other products that actually blend with it and don't leave flakes in your hair. So this one is perfect. After applying my leave-in, I'm going to use a little bit of my favorite Jamaican black castor oil, and you guys already know that's the Jamaican mango and lime black castor oil and coconut oil mix. I'm just going to rub that on my scalp and make sure that I only get it in my scalp because, as I said earlier, this is one of those products that doesn't quite mix well with the EcoStyle Gel. But I just do this to give myself just a little extra moisture because after about a day of wear, this style dries out my hair. I'm taking my Denman brush and creating a middle part in my hair. This part is totally optional. You guys can do a side part if you'd like, or even no part and just brush everything straight back. It's purely preference, but you do want to make sure that your hair is completely detangled because you want to avoid having any bumps in your hair when we apply that gel. After your hair is detangled to your liking, you're just going to keep that same brush and start brushing your hair back into a ponytail shape, and using a detangling brush before using a bristle brush to do this just really make sure that you have zero bumps in your hair whatsoever and it is as slick as possible. My gel of choice today is, of course, the EcoStyle Olive Oil Gel. This is my favorite gel out of the entire line. I'm just going to take a decent sized glob of that and start smoothing it on the top of my hair. I'm going to make sure not to miss any spots because you know we want to avoid flyaways as well. And as you guys can see, there's no white residue in my hair and the leave-in conditioner blended flawlessly, which actually makes this a perfect combo for a wash and go as well. I'm taking my soft bristle brush and I'm just going to smooth everything down one last time. This is basically the finishing touch brush. It's going to give you that clean, slick, pretty finish that we're going for with this look. And if you don't have a widow's peak like I do, this is a perfect time to do your edges. Unfortunately, I cannot do mine in this style. For some reason, it always comes out looking a little bit crazy. To secure my hair, I'm going to use my Cantu snag-free elastic hooks, and these are the best thing that you can use for any type of slick back hairstyles because it keeps all of your hairs in place. Nothing moves. Look at my hair. It's not going anywhere at all. It's literally perfect. So if you guys don't have these, make sure you go get some today. They're literally like $4 at Target. Once my hair is secured, I'm just going to make sure that I'm still bump free and flyaway free up top. And then I'm just going to take my ponytail and I'm going to start to braid it. And the reason that I braid it is because I don't want it to dry out while I'm setting the rest of my hair. So the braid is going to keep it nice and elongated so that I can get that smooth donut bun at the end. Now, this is probably the most important step of the process. You need to set your hair, honey child. So take any kind of scarf that you have, satin, silk, make sure it's not cotton, and you're just going to tie that as tight as possible. You don't want to cut off your circulation, but you want to make sure that your hair does not move for however long it takes it to dry. After about an hour, my roots were dry, so now it's time for me to remove my scarf, and look how smooth and slick and shiny she is. We love to see it. And then I'm just going to take my braid out, and my hair was still pretty wet, the hair in my braid anyways, which is perfect. That means it's easy for me to manipulate. And to do my little donut bun, I basically just wrap my hair, roll my hair, and then wrap my hair around itself just like a bantu knot. And then I tuck the ends underneath it all. Now for those of you guys who have shorter hair, this can still be done for you. You just want to use a sock bun. That's actually what I used to do till my hair got long enough for me to wrap it around itself like so. I'm going to be securing everything with an elastic band. You want to make sure that you don't use one with metal because we don't do breakage around here, baby girl. I'm going to wrap that 3 times. I want to make sure that it's not so tight that I get a headache, because that's like the worst thing ever when your hair is in a bun and you get a headache throughout the day. Now you guys can stop at the last part if you wanted to, but I just wanted to jazz it up with this leopard print scarf. I think it was a nice little touch. You guys know I like a little bit of razzle dazzle. And I just think this style is so cute and it's perfect for date night. You can wear this to the movies, you can wear this to dinner, dress it up, dress it down. It's just one of those perfect styles. And again, you want to make sure that this is super tight because since your hair is slicked back, it's really easy for it to just slip right off of your head. Another place that this style is perfect for is work. If you're one of those girls who just kind of wants your hair tucked away out of your face, but you still want to keep it cute and elegant, this is totally perfect for that. This is the final look, guys. Thanks so much for watching as always. I really appreciate you guys tuning in and supporting me every week. Comment down below and let me know what you think, and make sure to leave a thumbs up if you guys like what you saw today, and I will see you guys again in the next one. Take care, guys.